What's up guys, Chris for Hustle and Bustle. Today we're going to talk about how I got my first property and how I started my journey in real estate. If you find that video of value and that subject interests you, stick till the end so you can learn how I got my property number 2, 3, and the last property 4 that I'm closing in 3 days. So with all that out of the way, let's get to the numbers. I got my first property here in Jacksonville, Florida for a price that I'm looking at right now. It says 115. Originally, the guy wanted 119. I offered 112 and we should cancel 115. At the time, I did not know a lot about real estate. It was a bank loan, first time home buyer, 3.5% down. I bought the property in 2018, middle of October. Right now, the value I see on Zillow is $184,000. Again, I bought it for 115. So for 2 years, the property gained 70% value. I just calculated it's 60%, not 70. But those numbers here are a little bit conservative. In my opinion, it's a little bit more. It's more like 190 to 200, so 195. But either way, 60 to 70%, let's call it like that, over 2 years. This is how the rich people make money, guys. They buy properties for $100 million, and in 10 years, those values double, if not more. So I'm looking at the numbers here. I total spent $7,758.43. This includes the inspection, the appraisal, the closing cost, and the down payment. So 3.5% down on 115 is $4,000. And then closing cost is about 3%, which is almost $3,500. And I'm guessing I've had some other fees or something like that. So actually this number does not include appraisal, and inspection, which appraisal was 500, inspection I don't remember, I think it was like $60 at the time or something. I should actually have it here right on everything. There you go. So inspection and appraisal ran me $607.65. I combined them here. I keep track of everything. So all we know, that's all we need to do. Get your finances in order, get your credit score high enough. I think now they are approving anyone over 680. At the time, I knew the credit card game. If you stick to this channel, I talk about credit cards as well. I'm going to list a couple of videos down below and up here where I talk about credit cards. But if you have poor credit right now, I did my credit as a foreigner. When I came, I had no credit. Actually, it showed 999, which is a non-existent credit. In about 6 months, my credit went to like 660, 680. And then in another 2-3 months, it went to 720. And it was smooth sailing from there. So this is how I got my first house. I actually found a lender who do not require 2 years of tax returns, but only 1. And just a month or 2 months back your paychecks. And they want to see your bank account 60 days before so you can prove where that income comes from, which is called source of income, or you need to source the money. This is done so we don't involve drug money or money laundering into your, buy real estate with that type of money. So that's it. There's no mystery. For $7,000, almost $8,000, I bought this house. And again, it was a 3-2. I've said that before. I rent the rooms that are available. Right now I have only 1 tenant, but usually have 2, which they help pay for the mortgage, for the electricity, for the phone bill, and I have a little bit left over. In the next video, next Friday, I'll show you how I bought my second property for 0 money down. Thank you very much for watching, guys. It's a short one today. Keep hustling. The goal is to be rich, not to look rich. See you next time.